Welcome back to Shane's Main Shop. Today we're going to do a product review of the Mighty Putty. What we have here is a hole in the wall, and it's from the door handle here. And these particular walls have the wallpaper pre-finished on them, so you really can't mud it over and fix it. So I thought for a quick fix, we built a door stop. We're going to mount right here to the wall. That'll stop anything else from, the door handle from going through, and hopefully it will work. Mainly, we're going to see if the Mighty Putty will do the trick for us. The short answer in this particular case is no. Because this stuff, I'm not sure how old this is, but it's so dry, you can't even follow the instructions and squish it together and mix it like it's supposed to be. This outer shell is so hard, there's no way I can mix this up. So if you're looking to buy Mighty Putty, I personally don't recommend it. We just had this, so I thought I was going to try it. Looks like it's no good. Brand new package, all dry, will not mix. Nothing we can do about it. So that's my review of Mighty Putty. Don't waste your money. We're going to move on to a Loctite, and this is for vinyl, fabric, plastic, as well as wood. And it only takes about 30 minutes to set, and we're going to put a wedge in the door to hold pressure against the stop. So all we're going to do is apply it to the board, apply this to the wall, and then we'll pinch the door against it. So we have it applied. We'll go ahead and square it up on the wall. I already made a line so it's nice and level. We don't want it crooked. To get it set in place, press it there for a minute. Then we're going to bring the door up against it so the handle sets on it. All right, hold good pressure. Now all I'm going to do is wedge the door here so it holds against it a decent amount of pressure. So I just put a wedge under the door, and a little bit of trouble with it getting it lined up. I don't want to put a lot of upward pressure. I'm trying to put more inward pressure, so I pushed in on the door as well. And all we're doing that for is to hold the handle against the block back there, which is hard to see, but there it is. And that should fix that temporarily. And in the process, we'll see how well this stuff works. Well, thanks again for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. I hope you liked that video. There's another channel out there that's got a lot of videos as well, and a pretty good variety, and that is The Art of Doing. He has a nice variety of different topics he does, really just trying to inspire people to try different things that they may not have tried before. I will put a link in the description. This is Shane's Main Shop, but I want you to check out The Art of Doing. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. You ready to play, Layla?